Hello students, in last two lectures we have learned about the lesson Learn Yoga from Animals. In this lesson we have studied the central theme of the lesson as well as some difficult words I have given to you. Even I explained the lesson for you and given the question answer also. Now for today's lecture I will teach some grammar topics from the lesson Learn Yoga from Animals. So pay attention on blackboard, don't write anything else. I have given some grammar sentences on blackboard, will directly solve on the blackboard. Okay, so our question is do as directed, that is our grammar from the lesson Learn Yoga from Animals. Okay, the first sentence is given here. Yoga was perfected in ancient India. Okay, what you have to do? You have to add question tag. As I before told you, when you are going to add question tag, what you have to do first? You have to write the sentence as it is. Yoga was perfected in ancient India. Okay. This is the sentence I have written as it is. After writing the sentence, you have to make the comma after the sentence. See here, in this sentence, yoga was perfected in ancient India. There is an auxiliary verb, helping verb was. So we have to write as it is, was. Okay. But the sentence is in affirmative. When the sentence is in affirmative, while changing into question tag, it becomes negative, means we have to add here not. So wasn't. So what is the subject in the sentence? Yoga. But we cannot write here in place of yoga. We can use it as a it pronoun. Because we cannot touch it, but we can feel it. So it. So what will be the question tag? Yoga was perfected in ancient India, comma, wasn't it? Understood? Why wasn't it? Because already was is given there, sentence is affirmative, so I have added not negative, wasn't, then it for yoga. Okay. Second question sentence, relax your muscles completely. While performing yoga, relax your muscles completely. What you have to do? You have to identify kind of sentence. In last 2 or 3 lessons I have told about the types of sentence. How many sentences are there in English? There are 4 types of sentences in English. First one is affirmative or declarative. Second one is interrogative sentence. Third one is exclamatory sentence. And fourth one is imperative sentence. So what is the kind of sentence here? The sentence begins with the verb relax. Okay? Relaxed is a verb. When the sentence begins with the verb, that sentence remains imperative sentence. In Marathi, we are calling it Ajñarthi Vakya. So the sentence begins with here, relax. So the sentence is imperative. Imperative sentence means what? Ajñarthi Vakya. ज्या वाक्याची सुरुवात क्रियापदाने होते ते वाक्य imperative sentence. Understood? So this is the imperative sentence. Next sentence is, this is the girl who has a melodious voice. This is the girl who has a melodious voice. What you have to do? You have to identify the conjunction from the sentence. So if you don't know what is meant by conjunction, how you can find out? Conjunction means the word which shows a relation between two things or two objects. Here 2 sentences are there. This is the girl, okay, has a melodious song, voice. So which word join the sentence? Conjunct means join. The word which join the 2 sentences together. Here are 2 sentences. This is the girl has a melodious. This is the girl subject has a melodious predicate. When it joins together, that becomes conjunction. Okay. So what will be the conjunction in the sentence? conjunction in the sentence is who. It is a relative pronoun. Who. This is the girl who has a melodious voice. So who is a conjunction in the sentence. Understood? Next sentence. This helps to solve our problems. This helps to solve our problems. Again you have to do add a question tag. What is the formula? Write the sentence as it is first. This helps to solve our problems. Okay, I have written the sentence as it is. Then what you will do? Make the comma after the sentence. Now see here, in this sentence, we don't have auxiliary verb like this only. Which sentence? Yoga was perfected and ancient. Here, was is auxiliary verb, helping verb. But in this sentence, there is no helping verb. At that time, what you have to do? You have to use do, did or does according to the tense of the verb. Okay. So you must know the help. What is the verb in the sentence first? Here in this sentence, helps is a verb. Actually help, main verb. But it is added suffix yes. It becomes helps. Okay. So when the verb is in main verb, you have to use do. When the verb is in past tense, you have to use did. If the verb is having yes suffix, you have to use here does. Why does? Because verb is having yes suffix. Help is a verb. It is having yes suffix, so I have used here does. If the help is having ed suffix, I have to use here did. Only if help is there, I have to use here do only. But here helps is having yes suffix, so I used does verb, helping verb. Okay. But the sentence is an affirmative sentence, so I have to use here not, doesn't. Why doesn't? Because sentence is an affirmative. So this helps to solve our problems. Doesn't, this is a which pronoun? Demonstrative pronoun. But we cannot touch it, so I have to use here it. Okay. So what will the question tag? This helps to solve our problems, comma, doesn't it? Understood? Okay. Now see, write antonyms of the following words. Antonyms means opposite words. Comfortable, you have to add before this suffix uncomfortable. Okay. Comfortable, opposite word is uncomfortable. Visible, you have to add here suffix invisible. Visible means we can see. Invisible means we cannot see. Invisible, adrushya. So these are the antonyms of these words. So these are some grammar topics from the lesson. Learn yoga from animals. I hope you understood the lesson properly. So recite all the question answers. You will practice these grammar sentences in your notebook. Fill up the workbook properly. And most important thing, I would like to give the one instruction that I had given before you. 5 homeworks and 5 essays to write, okay, with the date wise. So what you have to do, you have to send me the copy of that particular homework 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, on my personal WhatsApp number. Send the copy, which homework you have written, send it to me, and I have to check your homework and I have to give the marks to you for our first semester exam for 10 marks. It has a 10 mark, keep your mind. So do write it properly. If you don't return, do write it without spelling mistake in a good handwriting and send it to me on my personal WhatsApp number. Those will not send the homework, 5 homeworks to me, I will not give them their 10 marks. Keep your mind. Okay? Write it properly, fill up the workbook. If you have any doubt, you can ask me anytime. Okay? Thank you.